Hey again everyone, this is Fuad and in this video we're going to be doing a very basic tutorial, a DIY gamepad stand out of cardboard. The only thing you're going to need are cardboard and hot glue gun. Choose a very corrugated piece of cardboard as it's going to give you high durability and sturdiness. One layer of the stand was cut out short because it needs to act as an incline on the base. These small pieces need to be just large enough to support the gamepad, so it will depend upon the type of gamepad you use. The contact area between the base and the stand needs to be very well supported, so ensure you use sufficient amount of hot glue. The gamepad resting on the top will create higher torque, so the supporting bar needs to be located at that very spot. You can decorate your gamepad stand however you like. I've just used some spray paint to make it look more aesthetic. And there you go guys, such a basic DIY gamepad stand you can make within a very short period of time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos on my channel.